before, lost to the whole Forex idea. I tried doing the thing on my own here and there. It was real scattered information. And then I had a friend tell me about this particular class, this training, and he's like, "Yo, you gotta meet this guy, gotta meet this guy." So I finally came through, and I started session 1. Actually, I got lucky enough to get session 1, and everything came together. I started understanding terms, like, yo, understanding the lingo. Like, I felt good, you know what I mean? Then next class, it got better, and now I got up to session 3, and little things like Fibonacci and this and there. It's like a lot of safe points. Like, you know, I look at the charts now, I know what I'm looking for. Opposed to like, yo, I didn't understand entry points, I didn't understand retests, retracement. Like, I didn't understand anything. So going through those classes, that quick 5 hours, I can look at a chart now and I'm like, yo, that's not gonna work, or this is not gonna work. You know what I mean? So it's bare minimum. I got a long way to go, but like, it's a great starting point off of three Sundays. You know what I mean? Like, and I can make bread now. You know what I mean? So
Let's get it, bro.